Theresa Stirling, and welcome to our new platform. We are so excited to roll this out. This is our new membership collective around the theme of the art of what's possible. And I get so excited about this topic. It's expansive in all ways. And for many of us, we've been on a journey learning art tips, techniques, ways to work on our own creatively, ways to collaborate with others. This really helps you take that practice next level. And we also cover topics around business, running a business, doing things outside of what's available in course content. We talk a lot about the art of creating, the art of what's possible in terms of how not to overthink, how to let go of outcomes, how to work at a very high level so that your creative business, whatever it may be, has terrific success. So we welcome you aboard. It's a monthly membership that we are so thrilled to be rolling out. More details on this page, and I'll be doing 2 lives every month. You'll have opportunities for questions and answers with me, and just a lot more exclusive content specifically for you. So welcome aboard. I come to you from sunny Southern California today, where I've been on vacation for a few days, and it has just been so restorative. So I look forward to this journey with you.